What's up, guys? So today I have two small cap bios that I'm looking into for the upcoming month. So this is just going to go over a quick DD on them and then the charts. So the first one I have is ADMP. It's Adamas Pharmaceuticals. So right here's the daily chart. I like using the MAs or EMAs for these smaller cap charts, but it's been pretty much riding the 200 for a few months now, and it's getting really tight. So if we zoom in on the monthly view, what I like here is if we look at the strat candles, we have 3 months in a row that are inside months. So this is showing some pretty significant consolidation, and that's why I have this 117 level drawn out. This is the previous month's high. So what I'm looking for is this current candle to break the previous month's high, and that would give us targets for the following month's highs. So we could see 117, 119, 124, 129. So with the upcoming catalysts, I think we're going to be moving through these targets, but 117 is going to be that breakout spot. So the catalysts I'm looking at for this stock are the PDUFA on November 12th for their opioid abuse drug. They got a complete response letter from the FDA on this, I believe last November, and now they're going for the PDUFA again. So I think this is definitely going to bring in some volume for that decision. And they also have a COVID-19 pill drug trial that started 6 weeks ago. This is a 21-day trial. So by now the trial should be complete. So I'm definitely expecting to see a data readout or some news regarding that. So with those two catalysts, I think we'll see a volume increase. On the daily, we could see a few hits here coming on the volume. So I'm looking for the 117 break and then some follow through after that. All right, the next one I'm looking at is JUPW, Jupiter Wellness. So this one is a bio company focused on like topical CBD treatments. So if we look at the chart here, it just broke through the 20 EMA and 50 MA, and the 20 EMA is about to cross over. So that definitely shows some positive momentum more recently. And if we look at the weekly, we could see that the past 2 weeks, the volume has been coming in a lot more compared to the past couple months. There's two gaps above. We have one 222 to 272, and then a little one 393 to 401. This bad run had to do with an offering that was dropped, a $30 million offering. So with that offering, that brings the flow up to about 18 million, so it's still pretty small. The first catalyst this one has is a pre-IND meeting in Q4. So this is for their drug JUPW, which is a prescription eczema treatment. And they are also enrolling patients for a phase 3 with this drug in Q4. There's also another trial enrolling Q4 with JUPW, which is a burn treatment topical drug. So with the offering, they have about 30 to 35 million in cash, since they only had about 3 or 4 million before that offering. So I'm thinking since that offering was in July, they should have enough cash to enroll and complete these trials and get the data readouts. And with the volume coming up, I think you could see a good run into that pre-IND meeting. So first I'm looking for a test of the bottom of the gap, and I would definitely like to see a move through the gap. We have these MAs here. 160s area is definitely an add area for me, and these red days touching resistance are pretty low volume, so I think we should see a good run on this one. So those are the two I'm focused on, ADMP and JUPW, for the next month or so, and we'll see how they play out with the upcoming catalysts.